Welcome to Max class. Class 7, Term 2. Dear students, now we are going to discuss problems 6 to 9 and objective type questions from the exercise 2.2. Question number 6. Find the length of the rope by which a bull must be tethered in order that it may be able to graze an area of 2464 meters square. In this question, what is given? Area is given. We have to find out the length of the rope. That means radius we have to find out. Okay. Now, listen the solution of 6th question. Okay. Here, this is the area that the bull can graze. Okay. The area is given how much? 2464. This is the rope. How to find out the length of the rope? Length of the rope means radius of the circle. Okay. So, length of the rope we are going to find out. Area of the circle is given 2464 meters square. Already we know the formula for area of circle is what? Pi r square square units. Okay. See, area of the circle is given. That means pi r square value is given. Pi r square equal to 2464. Then value of pi is 22 divided by 7 into r square equal to 2464. Then bring this to 22 by 7 into right side. So we can write 22 in the denominator and 7 in the numerator. Okay. Next we can cancel the numbers. Using 11 table, first we can cancel 2 times 11. 2 11s are 22. Next, cancel this number by 11 table. What we get? 2 11s are 22. Remaining here 2. So, the next number is 26. Again, 2 times 22. Remaining 4. 44 is remaining. 4 11s are 44. Okay. So, when we cancelled 22 by 11 means that is 2 times. 2464 by 11 we get 224. Again we can cancel this 2 and 224. Here 1 time. 1 2 is 2. Again 1 2 is 2. Here 2 2s are 4. So when we cancelled this numbers, what we get? 112 multiplied by 7. Okay. Then multiply the two numbers. 112 into 7. Next we can take the prime factors of 112 because we are going to find out the value of r. So we can write the numbers in the square. Okay. For that, take prime factorization for 112. When we divide this by 2 means how much? 5 2s are 10. Remaining 12. 6 times 6 2s are 12. Again divide by 2. 2 times 4. Then next number is 16. So 8 2s are 16. Next, 28 divided by 2 equal to 14. Then 14 divided by 2 equal to 7. So we can write here how much times 4 2s here? 1, 2, 3, 4. We can write the squares. Okay. So here 2 square. Again when we are taking this 2 means again 2 square. This 7, already here 1 7 is there, no? That also we can write. Now you see 2 square, here 2 square, this we can write 7 square, which is equal to 2 square into 2 square into 7 square, r square. Now remove the square for left hand side and right hand side. Then what is remaining? Just we have to write r alone. R equal to 2 into 2 into 7. Multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. So the value of r equal to 28 meter. That means the length of the rope equal to 28 meter. Question number 7. Lalita wants to buy a round carpet of radius 63 centimeter for her hall. Find the area that will be covered by the carpet. See, radius of the carpet is given. We have to find out area of the carpet covered by the hall. Okay. Listen, the solution for question number 7. Radius of the carpet, that is given 63 centimeter. We are going to find out the area covered by the carpet. Okay. See, this is the circular shape. What is the formula to find out the area of the circle? Pi r square, square units. Value of pi equal to 22 by 7. Value of r 63 already given. So, 63 multiplied by 63. Cancel 7 and 63 using 7 table. Here 1 time, here 9 times. Next, multiply 22 into 9 equal to 198 multiplied by 63. Multiply it separately. 198 multiplied by 63. First of all, using third table, multiply 198. What is the answer? 594. Next, using sixth table, multiply 198. We get 1188. Sum of these two, 12,474. Okay. So, the area covered by the carpet equal to 12,474 centimeter square. Question number 8. Tenmoli wants to level her circular flower garden whose diameter is 49 meter at the rate of rupees 150 per meter square. Find the cost of leveling. See, in this question, diameter of the garden is given. Then we have to find out the area of the garden and also cost of leveling. Solution for question number 8. Diameter of the garden D is given 49 meter. Next we are going to change diameter into radius. We know the formula, radius equal to diameter divided by 2. So we can divide 49 divided by 2. So keep it as it is. Okay. Next, we are going to find out what? Area of the garden. Pi r square, square units. Value of pi 22 divided by 7 r equal to 49 by 2. Again 49 by 2 because here r square. So we can write 2 times. Okay. Cancel 7 and 49. See, 7 and 49. Here 1 time, here 7 times. Next, cancel 2 and 22. 1 time 2, 11 times 22. Okay, what is remaining now? 11 into 7 into 49 divided by 2. 11 7s are 77. Here 49 divided by 2. 49 divided by 2 is what? 24.5. See, 77 into 24.5. Now we are going to multiply this. We can remove the decimal point and write as 245 multiplied by 77. See, 245 multiplied by 77. 7 5s are 35. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3, 31. 3 remaining. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3, 17. Again we are going to multiply 245 by 7. We get the same answer like this. Okay. So we can write here 5, 1, 7, 1. Add it now. 5, 6, 8, 8, 1. See, in the question 24.5 no. So in the answer we can place the decimal point 1 digit before. So the answer is 1886.5. Okay. See, 1886.5. This is the area of the garden. What we have to find out? Cost of leveling the garden. So, what is given? Cost of leveling 1 meter square rupees 150 is given in the question. Now we are going to find out cost of leveling 1886.5 meter square. For that, multiply 150 into 1886.5. For that, you just remove the decimal point and multiply 150 into 1886.5. We get the answer 2,82,975. Therefore, cost of leveling the flower garden equal to rupees, because cost of leveling, so here we have to mention the rupees symbol. Okay, rupees 2,82,975. Question number 9. The floor of the circular swimming pool, whose radius is 7 meter, has to be cemented at the rate of rupees 18 per meter square. Find the total cost of cementing the floor. In this question, radius given. First of all, we have to find out the area of the circular swimming pool. Next, cost of cementing rupees 18 per meter square is given. We have to find out the cost of the cementing the floor. Now listen the solution for the 9th question. Radius of the swimming pool is 7 meter. That means R equal to 7 meter. Next, find the area of circular swimming pool using the formula pi r square units. Value of pi 22 by 7, r value 7. So 7 into 7, because here r square. Okay. Next, cancel 1 7. Remaining 22 multiplied by 7. 22 multiplied by 7 is what? 154 meter square. This is area of the circular swimming pool. Next, we are going to find out the cost of cementing. For that, cost of cementing 1 meter square is rupees 18. Cost of cementing 154 meter square equal to rupees 18 multiplied by 154. When we multiply this, see, we get the answer 2772. Okay, this is equal to 2772 is the cost of cementing 154 meter square. Next, objective type question. Question number 10. The formula used to find the area of the circle is, answer, pi r square units. That is the second option. Question number 11. The ratio of area of circle to the area of its semicircle. We know semicircle is half of the circle. So, the correct option for this question 2:1. That means area of circle is 2 means area of semicircle is half of that 1. Okay, 2:1. 12th question. Area of circle of radius n units. R units means pi r square. N unit means what? In the place of R, we have to write n. Okay. So, the answer is pi n square units. Okay, students. Today's homework. Write sum 6 to 9 home test. Thank you for watching, students. Bye bye. Take care.